In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add people to a workspace on Slack step by step, so you can invite teammates, collaborators, or external partners without any confusion. Whether you're setting up Slack for a new team or just adding one more person to your workspace, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack account and on the Slack homepage. This is the main screen where you can see your channels, direct messages, and workspace navigation on the left side. You'll need to be in the correct workspace where you want to add new people, especially if you manage more than one Slack workspace. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look for the option that says Invite Teammates. This is usually found in the left sidebar or under your workspace name at the top. Click on Invite Teammates to start the invitation process. Next, Slack will ask you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Carefully type in their email address, making sure there are no spelling mistakes, because Slack will send the invitation directly to that email. You can invite one person at a time or multiple people, depending on your workspace settings. After entering the email address, click on Invite button. This tells Slack that you're ready to move forward with inviting this person to your workspace. Now, click on Add to continue. At this stage, Slack may ask you to confirm some details before sending the invitation. You'll then be asked to choose whether the person you're inviting is part of your organization or an external organization. Select the option that best fits the person you're inviting. This step is important because it can affect permissions and access within your Slack workspace. Once you've made your selection, click on Next. Slack will now prepare the invitation based on the options you chose. After reviewing everything, click on Send Invitations. Slack will send an email invitation to the person you added, and they'll be able to join your workspace by accepting it. Finally, click on Finish to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully invited someone to your Slack workspace. Once they accept the invite, they'll appear in your workspace and can start collaborating right away. And that's how you add people to a workspace on Slack. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, software tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.